Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So renting a movie on Prime Video lets you watch the latest releases without buying them permanently. Perfect for one-time viewing. So first thing, open Prime Video like primevideo.com. Okay, you can also open the application on your phone, whether you are using Android or iOS. Okay, make sure you are signed in first. You can rent from mobile, web or TV. Okay, so find a movie, like search or browse for the movie you want, for example any movie. Okay, open the movie's details page. Okay, look for price and options, or yeah, so select rent, choose rent. You will see the rental price. Okay, so we have here related episode, so you have to find rent. Okay, after you find it, you will see the rental price. Some titles also offer by option, so confirm payment, like select your payments method, confirm the rental, and a pin may be required if enabled. So start watching, like click watch now, or access it later from my stuff or rentals. Okay, your rental timer starts when you press play. Okay, so what happens after renting? A movie is added to your library. You have a limited time to watch and you can stream on supported devices. There are also some common issues that happen, like can't rent movies, so check payments method or region availability. Rental expired, so rentals have strict time limits, or playback issues. Okay, so check internet connection before you get into the website itself. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. This is how to rent a movie on Prime Video. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.